Hello everyone, Minka here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to prepare ikokore. And I think ikokore is a dish for the Ijebus. And it's also made with what I am. I've cut out of it. And first off, you have to grate your what I am. If you have the Buchi mix blender that can, actually process food, you can use it. Yes, so that's the first step, grating your what I am. So I've actually had this what I am for a while now. My mom brought it for me when she traveled, and so I've been hoping that I was going to make ekpan kuko. If you're a Cross River or Akwa Ibom, in the comment section, please say hi to your sister. So yeah, I wanted to make ekpan kuko, but then to make ekpan kuko, you need what I am and cocoyam. So because I don't have cocoyam, I had to use my what I am, and ikokore is just porridge, yeah, or what I am porridge or pottage. So yeah, these are my ingredients I'll be showing you in the video. So for more cooking videos, for fashion videos, real lifestyle, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video and many other videos. You can also leave a comment for me. Thank you guys for watching as we get right into the cooking.
So here are my ingredients: my nut chicken cubes, my crayfish, my roasted fish, pomo, onion, what I am, ugu, and of course mama lemon for clearing my dish. Into a hot pot, I add my palm oil, add my onion. I allow it to fry for 2 minutes. Then I add my fresh pepper and allow that to fry for like 4-5 minutes. And add my pomo, my fish. Then I added my crayfish and also with 2 cubes of no chicken. Allow that to fry for a few minutes. Then I add my water, allow it to boil. While waiting for it to boil, I add no and crayfish into my water yam. Then I mix it very well so it can go around and so it can have taste. So into my boiling sauced water, I make lump, just mold and put inside while boiling. Then I cover, allow it to boil. You don't stir so much like that so it won't scatter, and if you want it to scatter, you can stir it. So allowed it to boil for a few minutes, like 5 minutes, because you don't need to keep it to cook for long. Then I added my leaf, then I stirred. This meal did not even take me up to 20 minutes, 20-25 minutes to cook, because it's so fast and it cooks so fast. So yeah, this is my meal ready to be served. This looks so yummy. It's porridge and I love it. So let's dish.
My meal is ready. So this is how it looks. It's actually thick. So guys, if you actually ask me, this tastes really nice. Trust me, I'm not capping. This tastes really nice. But then if you ask me what's the difference between this and my native meal, which is ekpan kuko, I would say how we cook ours, right? The combination of what I am and cocoyam makes the mixture thick. So unlike this that is watery, you see the way I was just trying to mold it in, but it was just dropping like so watery because it's what I am. What do you expect, right? I look forward to showing you guys how to cook ekpan, but the taste is different. It's almost similar, but no, it's no rich. It's different because this is just what I am, and my native food is combination of what I am and cocoyam. But then this is actually nice. This is really nice, I must say. And I would score myself 9/10. Yes, because not just because I made it right, but because if I compare this to what I see online, I don't think there's any difference, and it tastes great. It tastes really nice. Yes, so for more cooking videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video.